this is the interface which is available online at Google Play or Google Marketplace. And what it does is it connects through Bluetooth, connects to the microcontroller. So when I move the cursor around, it will control the PWM channels. The red light is on. That means it's not receiving signal, it's waiting. So from my cell phone, I start the RobotControl app, and then I go to the Connect menu. So I have several, the 7 is the one. Now it's connected. So when it's connected, you can see the red light is flashing. So that means it's getting signals from the app. So now let's move this around and see what happens. So move up, and you can see the 2 red LEDs are on. The intensity changes as I move across the screen. And also you can move to one side or the other, so it will control the intensity of the light, and it in turn controls the speed of the 2 motors. So that will change that will let the robot make a turn. So if I move down, the green lights will turn on. So again, the intensity depends on the location on the screen, and controls the backward movement of the robot, and so you can also do left and right, control the speed, backward speed of the 2 motors. There's also the area where you can make the robot rotate clockwise. So which means, see the red light is on, one green light is on, which means one is going clockwise, going forward, the other going backward, and so the robot will make a turn, will rotate at the same location. So you can do it the other way, counterclockwise, so the opposite happens in the motor. So it's a pretty simple design, and so it works well. And of course you can use your finger to move, and this has been tested and has been used for a power robot, and it works very well. Again, the app is available and there is a safety feature also, and so basically when you lose the connection, let's see if it's too far, so you lose the connection, let's see what happens. So when you lose the connection, the motor automatically turns off, the microcontroller turns off, and that's you can see that the red light is on, and it will turn off all the motors. So now let's look at in more detail how this works. So the app is basically an Android app, and with a Bluetooth interface. So it's very easy to use. But on the Bluetooth receiver side, so you have the Bluetooth, which is available online. I think at a place like a DL Extreme, and it's pretty affordable. And so you have 4 wires. 2 of them are for the power supply. So it connects to the voltage regulator at a 3.3 volt, and I use a 9-volt battery, so you use a regulator and it provides the power supply. So to simplify things, I'm using the 3.3 volt for both the Bluetooth module and the microcontroller. So for the microcontroller, it's Atmega328, and it has 28 pins. So I used the 4 fast PWM channels. That's the OC1A, 1B, and OC2A, 2Bs. And also used the let's PB0 for the LED status LED to show the connection. When it's connected, it will flash. When it's not connected, it will turn red after a couple of seconds. So so you have the power supply. The black connect to negative, red connects to positive, again using 3.3 volt power supply. And the green wires are for the serial connection. That's the RX and the TX. So the RX, which is the pin 2, and it connects to the TX on the Bluetooth module, where the TX on the microcontroller connects to the RX on the Bluetooth module. So this is the first part of the tutorial, and it just shows how the app connects to the microcontroller through the Bluetooth module, and using the LED, you can see it's actually sending the signals to it. And so that's all for this part of the tutorial. The next tutorial will show you. From there, you're getting the PWM pulse width modulation signals, and those signals will be sent to the H bridges, and I will show you some simple H bridges such as R296D, and also power H bridge that can power wheelchair motors. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.